Okay, guys, so what's up in Object Smart? Last time at Object Smart, we were doing that forever, and then we busted people. So guys, so today's challenge it is. Throw that bird. Hey, please don't throw me. No. When you shoot it over there, your team lost. When you shoot it here, you better shoot. Oh, shoot it here. If you shoot it, oh gosh, I know how to play. If you shoot it right over here, like this, score. Like this is how you play, okay? So, wait. Can I pick another challenge? Dude, we cannot pick another challenge. So we need to pick this challenge. Okay, fine. It's a layer. Fine, I'll take that. Dude, you just right. Hey, that wasn't funny. That wasn't very, very funny. Are you a failure? Why am I failing? Gosh, I don't know how to play. Don't you about that? Haha! You lost again. Let's try it. Let me try. Yeah. Oh! Hey, you got hit by yourself. And where the heck did my string go? Wait, did I just shot the bird? Then, this is mine. Hey guys. So what's up? Haha. That's it. You're done with this. There you go. Oh, come on, Snowflake. I can do this. Oh, what the? Fine. It wasn't. Did I fail? A little bit. Come on, this shot needs a shot. Bingo. What the? Let me stupid do this. Well, that doesn't work. It looks like you're just stupid. Fine. Let's do it. Get our super damage speed. Super damage speed. Oh, John people just knocked me down. Oh my gosh, how did you do this? Oh guys. Okay. Knocked him down. So time's up, guys. Who wins the immune? Or Snowflake. Snowflake. You need another try. So with the try again. Okay. Snowflake. You. That means Snowflake gets an immunity. Did I? So your team's up for elimination. For cheating! Come on! I did our team got cheated. Oh, cheat got nothing. No, have no fake. No, that's it. Jackhammer. Sorry. So I see who the person that's eliminated. Person that's eliminated is. What is it? God damn it. I hope I didn't destruct it. Damn it. Looks like they're having an elimination. Looks like we had to. Okay, fine. It was what the freak fly that. Oh. Hi guys. Woo, you almost knocked me down. So next time I'll check smart.